Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about a fundamental aspect of gardening and tree care, pruning. Pruning is essential for the health and aesthetics of your trees. In this video, we'll cover some basic techniques and tips on how to prune a tree effectively. Let's get started. Before we dive into the techniques, let's understand why pruning is important. Pruning helps in removing dead or diseased branches, improving the tree's shape, and encouraging healthy growth. It also enhances air circulation and sunlight penetration, which are crucial for the overall well-being of the tree. First things first, you'll need the right tools for the job. Make sure you have a sharp pair of pruning shears for smaller branches, loppers for thicker branches, and a pruning saw for the larger ones. Always wear safety gear, including gloves and safety glasses, to protect yourself during the process. Now, let's talk about some pruning techniques. Start by removing dead or damaged branches, making clean cuts close to the main trunk or a healthy bud. For shaping the tree, identify the leader branch, the main upward growing branch, and trim the surrounding branches to maintain a balanced shape. Avoid common mistakes like topping the tree, which can lead to weak, unstable growth. Also, don't prune too close to the trunk, as it might damage the tree's bark. Always prune outside the branch collar, the swollen area where the branch meets the trunk, to promote proper healing. That's it for today's video on how to prune a tree. Remember, proper pruning enhances the beauty and health of your trees. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and happy pruning!